Once upon a time, in the realm of Asgard, the mighty Thor, god of thunder, was about to embark on an extraordinary adventure that would test his strength and courage like never before. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing stories. Our story begins with a fierce storm rolling across the 9 realms of Norse mythology. It tore through forests, uprooting ancient trees and scattering their leaves like autumn had come early. It tore apart villages, soaking homes and granaries, and even the great oceans churned and roared beneath its wrath. Odin, the All-Father and King of Asgard, watched from his high hall with growing concern. His wise eyes, which had seen the rise and fall of countless stars, knew this was no ordinary storm. Then his 2 trusty ravens, Hugin and Mjolnir, flew in, bringing him urgent word from across the realms. The storm, they croaked, was alive. Legends spoke of an ancient force, the storm titan Tempestra, who had slept for thousands of years until now. If this raven spoke true, then Tempestra would consume the 9 realms in endless thunder, leaving nothing but destruction in her wake. But who could stop such a powerful being? Odin thought of his valiant son, Thor, god of thunder, wielder of the mighty hammer, Mjolnir. As soon as Thor heard Odin's call, he sprang into action. He knew what was at stake: the safety of all 9 realms, the lives of countless people, and he was not afraid. With Mjolnir grasped firmly in his hand, he flew into the raging storm. Lightning danced around Mjolnir as Thor charged forth. From the swirling clouds, monstrous shapes swooped and struck at Thor, each one a child of the storm, a wind beast formed from Tempestra's power. Thor met their attacks with lightning-charged hammer blows that echoed across the skies. For hours, perhaps even days, he battled on, pushing deeper into the heart of the storm. But the truth was that even Thor was not sure how to stop the storm titan. So, seeking wisdom, he flew to Heimdall at the Bifrost. There, the keeper of the Rainbow Bridge pondered for a long time, his own sight so keen that he could see all 9 realms at once. At last, Heimdall spoke, telling Thor that the only way to calm the storm was to strike Tempestra's heart with pure lightning. But where could he find such power? Heimdall pointed to the roots of the great world tree, Yggdrasil, which connected all 9 realms. There, Heimdall said, the storm titan was born, and there, too, was the answer. So Thor flew to the world tree, even as the storm raged fiercer than ever. And there, in the roots, he found the well of Ord, the source of all wisdom, guarded by 3 Norns, the spinners of fate. They allowed Thor to draw some of the sacred thunder from the well, but warned him it would not be easy. To reach Tempestra, he must first navigate the chaos at the storm's eye. And so, with Mjolnir sparking with divine energy, Thor returned to the heart of the storm, battling Tempestra's fury all the way. Finally, as suddenly as it began, the storm stilled. The winds fell silent, and before Thor stood the magnificent yet terrifying form of the Storm Titan. She was a towering figure wreathed in clouds, her eyes blazing with thunderous power. "This realm will be my sky forever," she boomed, and with a wave of her hand, unleashed a bolt of lightning to strike Thor down. But he was ready. With a mighty roar, Thor lifted Mjolnir high above his head and brought it down in a dazzling arc, striking Tempestra's chest, releasing a blinding flash of pure lightning. The Storm Titan roared in pain and anger, and the storm raged once more, shaking the very foundations of the realms. But Thor held firm, his resolve unwavering. He had seen too much death and destruction to give up now, and so, again and again, he channeled the World Tree's power through Mjolnir, sending bolts of lightning crashing into Tempestra, weakening her. slowing her attacks until finally, with one last mighty blow, he shattered the Storm Titan's heart. The storm broke, the winds fell still, and silence fell over the Nine Realms once more. The world was safe, at least for now. Thor returned to Asgard, greeted as a hero, but he knew better than to rest on his laurels. For as long as he was Asgard's champion, he would stand ready to protect his people, no matter what dangers lay ahead. So young viewers, remember, no matter how dark things may seem, how overwhelming the challenges may appear, with courage, wisdom, and the will to help others, we can overcome any storm. And if you enjoyed Thor's thunderous adventure, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more epic tales of gods, monsters, and heroes. Next, why not join the amazing adventures of Hercules and the Hydra, where the greatest hero of all time faces a many-headed monster. Click here to watch or explore more exciting stories in our channel. Comment below which Marvel hero should face the next great challenge. We look forward to hearing your thoughts. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and always believe in the power of stories.